Hey YouTube, welcome to another video, man. I'm finally back in NYC. As you can see, back in my old setup. So today is going to be a trading video. So I'm about to start trading. Right now in New York it's almost 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'll be in a New York session around 9:30. So around this time I set up to get in the market. My strategy. So today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna trade my live account, my actual money, in my futures broker, and at the same time, so basically I'm doing my TopStep evaluation for the combine to pass to get funded 50K, and to do that, I need to make $3,000 on this account to get funded. So I'll do my live account and my prop firm account at the same time. So let me show y'all. Okay, so I finished setting up. My strategy is supply and demand. This is my demand zone box, and if the market do go south, I want to see break these structures so I can change my buyers to sells if I decide to do that. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do, so it depends. But as you can see, the market, it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend. So my today bias for me is buys. It's all bullish. So I'm gonna wait till price hit this zone and bounce up. I want to see something like, oh man, hold up. It's hard to hold this camera on, I bet. So I want to see price hit this zone and come up. This I want to see. That's exactly what I want to see right here. Look like price will come down, but I'm not taking no trades to 9:30. I'm not taking no trades to 9:30. So I have to wait and see. This is my broker account, AMP Live. This is my live account, and this is my TopStep account. Same setup, same exact trade. Same micro NASDAQ. And for the same thing, I want to see price come. Oh, I need to select up too. I want to see price come, hit the zone, and take off. That's exactly what I want to see. So, I'm trading two accounts, trading my TopStep combine, I'm not funded yet. I gotta pass the evaluation, which I should pass it this month, or a couple of weeks, or this week, who knows. And on this screen is my live account, a small account. It's barely like $280 on this account. I'm gonna compound this until I get $5,000 on this account. My live account. So trading both. It looks like price is about to hit the zone. I'm not going to take that trade though till after 9:30. So I'm just going to skip out on this one. And they're forming the morning evening star. It's getting formed. I know people who watch my channel never saw me trade before, so these terms might throw you off, but people who trade come on my channel will know exactly what I'm talking about. Price about to hit, so I'm not taking no trades to 9:30. So I'll see y'all after 9:30 and see what happens. Alright, price hit and look like price about to violate my demand zone. Look like it violated my demand zone, so I gotta see. I'm already set up just in case it moves forward up. It look like it's going down. like it's going down. I got the same setup on my TopStep X doing the combine. This is my combine right here. So I'm gonna catch the same setup. This is my this is TP1. This is TP2. I'm going for 1 or 2. But look like market's going down. Look like the market's going down. I'll be back. Alright, so price just broke my demand zone, and it did a change of character to break a structure. So now I just marked my supply zone, because over here is an actual legit supply zone. Will I take this trade? Maybe not. I just want to see that there's a supply zone right there. So price just hit, and it looked like it's going to move forward down. If it passed this breaker structure now, then I might get in this trade. Then I might mark up the next supply box, wait for that same bounce, come back down. So I got this right here in the same my TopStep, my combine challenge. I got the same setup, nothing different. Same setup. Laptop. I got my monitor. Alright. So I'm waiting to see what price do. If price hit these marks, I might get in trade. I don't know. I might get in the trade or not. I'm not sure. See, price is heading down right now. It's coming down. So I get back to y'all. See what price do. Alright, so price just passed my breaker structure right here on this key level. It's going down. That don't mean I won't take a sell. I'm not going to sell at this point because my indicator here, I only use one indicator. That's my 13 SMA and my 200 SMA. The 200 SMA is still below. That means look for buys. If this 200 SMA is on top, that means I look for sells. That's why I'm not convinced to take the sales. If you do create another supply zone right here, price come down, come back up, hit that supply zone. You could take it, you could risk it. It's up to your discernment. You know what I'm saying? But price did break my breaker structure right here. I want to see this. See the market actually going south. Right now, all the prices and points still green. So it did break my supply zones way up here. And I only trade between 9:30 to 11 o'clock. So right now it's 9:48. When it hit 11 o'clock, 11:30, I'm done trading for the day. So this is to be continued. So price drop. I want to see this 200 SMA cross over the 13 SMA. That means it's officially a reverse. Same thing on my TopStep combine. Same setup. Alright. Let's see what happened next. So that's my trading setup. I'll do more videos on this. This is my first video trading. It's my first video, so I'm trying to organize it correctly. So you'll see a bunch of trading videos from me from now on. I want to show the people the power of trading. This is a good financial skill set. Once you master this skill set, nobody can tell you nothing. There's no excuse for you going broke because you have a power of day trading. You know what I'm saying? You take simple $300 and flip that to 1,000. That's how powerful this skill set is. So I think everybody should try to at least learn day trading. It's not for everybody. Some people mentality is messed up. Some people got a broke mentality, so they can't be a profitable trader. You know what I'm saying? To be a good profitable trader, you need a right mindset for it. Am I profitable right now? No. I'm close. I was trading for 1 year. 1 year. 1 year. I was studying this trading since I was in Ghana. So people new to my channel, I lived in Ghana for 2 years. So now I'm gonna be back and forth from New York to Ghana, building my project, building my house out there, checking on my wife twice a year. You know what I'm saying? So I got land out there. I got my family out there. You know what I'm saying? So I learned this skill set while I was in Ghana. Because I was in Ghana, I prayed to the Most High, show me another way I could get resources coming to me. Show me a way to I could invest my money, and bam. Short story short, Most High introduced me to day trading. And since then, I was convinced this is just an amazing skill set. So all praises, all glory to the Most High for showing me the skill set. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah, I will be profitable. I will be profitable very, very soon, because I believe I got my strategy, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to her trading journal for simplifying supply and demand. I watched the videos, it makes sense, so I implemented her strategy into mine. You know what I'm saying? So far so good, it worked out, man. And price look like it's moving up right now. Price look like it's about to jump up. You see, this could be a pullback. Could make a little pullback and come back down to the downside. And then I'll mark up another supply zone right here. So looking like what I think is gonna happen. Price gonna make a pullback and come back down. Come back down. So I might do that pullback. Move forward back down. So while I do that, if it does that, I'll come up my next supply zone. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Right now I'm just guessing the market where we're gonna go. Alright. Just guessing the market. Let me get this line out here. Holding the camera and do this at the same time. I gotta get used to this. But this might be a pullback. And we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. See how this market doing right now. Let's check it out, man. It's my little trading setup. It's my little office / bedroom. You know what I'm saying? Got my little mic stand. So YouTube gonna be popping in a minute. It's my trading setup. So let's see what the market's doing. Alright, as you can see, price is trying to go back down, so I'm waiting. So far, what it looking like is a no trade day. Look like a no trade day. Let me tell y'all something. When I first started trading, and if I would have saw a drop like this, I would have got in the trading FOMO, and I would have lost. A lot of people, a lot of beginner traders got in this trade and got cooked. They got cooked. You see the market drop. It's dropping. Oh man, let me get in. Get this money real quick. Sometimes you get it. Sometimes you get the bag. I'm gonna front. But the next time the market drop like this, and you trying to get in, the market gonna cook you. So you gotta be careful with that, man. Once you have a strategy, a system, and you got experience, this right here ain't gonna phase you, because you're gonna wait for price to come back and hit your strategy and make the proper movements. So since price didn't come back to the supply zone, it's no trade. And like I told you before, I'm waiting for this 13 SMA and 200 SMA crossover, and about to do that. They're about to cross, getting closer together. So that meaning the market is actually on a reversal. It's on a downtrend. When this 200 SMA goes on top, price still going to the bottom, that's the signs for sales. Same thing on my TopStep. Same exact, same structure. This is my combine. Like I said before, I'm trying to do my combine in my live account at the same time. So I'm pretty confident in my strategy. I got the analytics. I tested it out. And once again, shout out to her trading journals. Go to her channel, man. She do the same strategy as me, the supply and demand. And she made her strategy very simple. And I took that same strategy she got and I put it into my system. So far, so good. So I only watch YouTubers who have the same strategy as me. So if you're trying to learn trading, if you got a strategy like a support and resistance as example, you need to watch traders on YouTubers who do support and resistance. You know what I'm saying? Not trend lines, not you know what I'm saying, RSIs. You know what I mean? You need to watch YouTubers who got the same exact strategy as you, because that YouTuber might help you out on your strategy. Just like Doyle, shout out to Doyle Exchange, he do supply and demand also. Her trading journal, the sister, she does supply and demand also. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to her trading journal. I said journal. Her trading journal. Shout out to her channel, man. You know what I mean? For the simple strategy. And I'm definitely gonna do more videos talking about the strategy and trading on my channel for the people who want to learn about day trading, man. Like I said, this is one of the best skill sets you could ever learn for finances. Once you master this skill set, you can make money anywhere on this world. As long as you got a Wi-Fi in your laptop, you can make money trading anywhere in the world. As long as you catch the New York session or the London session, wherever you at. You know what I'm saying? I was doing this trading since Ghana, in Africa. I was practicing how to trade. I was doing a New York session in Ghana. New York session is 9:30 in the morning. In Ghana time, that's 1:30 p.m. So I was catching New York session at 1:30 p.m. in Ghana. So since I'm back in New York City now, back in New York, I could catch the New York session as Eastern time. So this is a morning evening star right here. Morning evening star. Price gonna keep dropping. This is where I'm gonna make my next supply zone. Boom. Boom. My next zone gonna be right here. Price dropping down. Remember, I stopped trading at 11 o'clock, 11:30. I'm not trading no more. So, you gotta see, man. You gotta see. To me, no trade today. No trade today. That's what it looks like. Alright, so price started to consolidate, ranging. You know what I'm saying? When price range, price is gonna bounce up and down off this support and resistance line. This is resistance, and this is support. Just like you throw a basketball up a ceiling, the ball gonna hit the ceiling and come back down. And when the ball hit back on the support, they're gonna bounce back up. That's its support and resistance in a nutshell. This means price is ranging. And most strategies, if you get caught up in this range, you're done. You're cooked. You know what I'm saying? That's if you trade the actual support and resistance. Support and resistance. You know what I'm saying? And I used to trade this, but I stopped trading support and resistance, so I know how it works. I prefer supply and demand because I have a better edge. You know what I'm saying? I could get my edge of a 1 or 2 or 1 or 3 with supply and demand. If you trade support and resistance, in my opinion, and you go zone to zone, they don't help you with the 1-on-1s or 1-2s or 1-3s risk to reward ratio, in my opinion. All right, maybe for you it worked. For me, it didn't work. So me to have a clear edge on my strategy, that's why I trade now for a while. Supply and demand. Supply and demand boxes be on the bottom going up. I'll make a video about that showing you what it is. Right now, the market is ranging. It's ranging. So I want to see price break out this support and resistance to see if it actually going to go back south, go back bearish. You see. Same thing on my combine. Same thing on my combine. Do the same exact thing. So market's ranging. It's not a good look. So I'm waiting. Like I said before, this might be a no trade day. I got 40 something minutes. I got to 11 o'clock. And my trading is over. It's over. If I see a setup, I might get in by 11 o'clock. But what it looking like, fam? I don't think so. Don't think so. Alright, so far, like I said before, the 200 SMA and the 13 SMA have crossed. So we actually now looking for buyers. We're looking for buyers. And I mean not buyers, my fault. We're looking for sales, man. We're going bearish, man. We're going bearish. I'm thinking about buyers. You're going bearish, you're going south, man. You know what I'm saying? Bulls is up, bears is down. So be bearish now. So be looking for sales. Because the 213 SMA and the 20 SMA have crossed. So once the 200 SMA be above, that means look for sales. If the 200 SMA is on the bottom, like right here, that red line's right here, that means look for buys. So I was right about the ranging of the market. The market's ranging. It's ranging right now. So I don't know. I'm going to make a trade today. It's not looking like it. 9:30. We was here. Now we here. So like no trade, man. Look like it. You see, I got 30 minutes left. Now it's 10:34. You'll see. Okay, so I marked up my next supply zone, but the problem is it's inside this range, so it's going to be risky. So if price goes up and hit that supply zone, I'm going to take entry on the break this candle right here just to be safe. Because remember, the range is right here. Price go tap, price come down, but price could shoot back up and start ranging again and just mess up the whole game plan. So either or, my trading session would be done in 4 minutes. 11 o'clock. I'm done trading. I don't care if price hit my zone. I'm done trading for the day. 11 o'clock, man. Clocking out. Either way, this is a dangerous place to take entry. Right in the zone. It's dangerous. A lot of traders get caught up right here. They think, oh, supply, boom, it comes. It could shoot down. Don't get me wrong. It could shoot down, but price could, the range could suck the price back up and start boom, 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 boom. Ranging across, man. And then if it range across, you in bad luck. You go, pew, would shoot up. Knock out your whole stop loss, man. But this is a supply zone. It's dangerous. I wouldn't take it. So I think I'm done for the day. I think I'm done. No trade today. Got 3 more minutes. It's 10:57 a.m. Yeah, I think I'm done. Y'all, no trade today. This camera about to die. As you can see, price creating me 2 more supply zones, but there's no hit. There's no hit. Price came down from this ranging market right here. It's choppy. It's very choppy. The market's chopping right now. It's very choppy, but it created another supply zone. Price coming down, and my time is over. Past my time, so I'm done trading, man. So price do come back and hit the zone, I don't care. I'm done. Trade again tomorrow, and tomorrow is news, NFP, man. So I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. So it's about to be end of the video today. I get no trade today. Price didn't hit minimum zones, so no trade today, which is a good day. No trade is a good day. You save money. You ain't lose no money. So, but going forward, moving forward on this channel, it's gonna be a lot of trades going on. I'm gonna show you a bunch of trades. Talk about the market structure, how my strategy is, my system. So I could document my journey of being a day trader. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the skill sets the Most High blessed me with. I was in Ghana, so I was getting blessed in Ghana, man. Most High was answering my prayers, boy. So he blessed me with day trading, man. So it took me a whole year to study this, study the markets and everything on my own, self-taught. Nobody ain't teaching me this, self-taught, man. Watching a bunch of YouTube videos, boy, how to trade these markets. But now I think I'm good. Am I a profitable trader yet? Not yet. I'm getting close. I'm there. I'm getting close. That's why I want to take this prop firm challenge, this combine. Once I pass this combine, then I get funded with 50K. Not really 50K. I can't lose 2,000. So really, I'm actually getting funded with $2,000. That's it. But that's enough to get payouts. You know what I'm saying? So once I pass this prop firm, and I showed you my live account. My live account just barely $300. So I'm gonna compound my live account until I get 5K, till I get 5,000. So I'm going to document this process, this journey, man. Just follow me on my day trading journey. So I'm gonna give you some free game. Once I get profitable, and I show y'all this is the real deal. Start charging people. When I learned this, I'm gonna start charging because it took me a year, self-taught, to learn this. It ain't easy. It's not easy. You know what I'm saying? So I'll break it down what I learned so far. And everything moving forward here back in New York City, man. You know? At the same time, move forward on my channel. I'll show you my daily life routines here in New York, man. Day trading. Me getting back in my barbering flow. Getting barbering clients. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I get up in the shop, start cutting hair, and get back in my video shooting routine. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a journey, gonna be a process, man, to be an entrepreneur, man, a self-made millionaire, first generation in my family, man. It's gonna be a process. It's not gonna be easy. You don't want to be easy, because what the Quran said, from hardship come ease. From hardship come ease. You don't want nothing to come easy. Things come easy, hardship, easy. So that's how we rocking here. You know what I'm saying? So I changed my name, Yahya. My name is John, so in Arabic, my name is Yahya. Yahya in Arabic is John the Baptist. John. You know what I'm saying? So Arabic, my name is Yahya. So my channel now gonna be Yahya. And I add the rest later on. After Ramadan. You know what I'm saying? But Move forward. That's the channel going to be day trading. My hustle routine in New York, cutting hair, shooting videos. So we'll put you on my whole journey, my entrepreneur path. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see. And when I pop off, be that millionaire in the future, y'all can come back to my old videos and see how it's done. You know what I'm saying? That's my channel, man. The journey, man. The journey continues. My spirituality continues, seeking truth. That's my channel all about, man. Alright? See y'all next video. I might trade tomorrow, cause tomorrow is news. News gonna drop tomorrow. That's NFP. So I might trade after the news drop, cause you trade doing NFP, your account will get destroyed. You know what I'm saying? So most traders wait till after NFP, or they just forget Friday altogether and come back trade on Monday. So I'm gonna make that decision if I'm gonna trade tomorrow or I'm just gonna trade Monday. So either way, I'll see you at the next video, man. Alright.